Well, this abandoned power plant is directly connected to an active one. So that's neat. Horror movie? Alright, so going up a coal conveyor belt is one thing, but this plant literally burned trash to make electricity. This shit is ratchet. Oh shit. Word? Dude, power on in this building is crazy. Hello? Last time I shot this place, my camera basically took a shit. So I got home and had next to no footage from this place. And shortly after, they added a bunch of cameras. Go figure. Damn, that's only 2 years ago. Wait, what? Jet station controls. That's actually what it says. I mean, there's an airport next to this, so maybe, but also, what the hell? And just a bunch of fucking computers. Boo. Yeah, that's the coolest thing in this control room. Chernobyl looking ass panel. Oh no, dude. Kyle beat us to this one. Damn it. There's gonna be wieners everywhere. Some pretty cool panels. I spoke too soon. If only this one had power. So this giant empty frame apparently used to be a Mercury boiler. It's dismantled a long time ago, but yep. Another abandoned power plant that used mercury in some crazy ass way. You know, it's a shame it's not here anymore, but at the same time, judging by how they half-assed the rest of this decommissioning, it's probably better that it's gone. So definitely would leave here with mercury poisoning. Apparently the camera is somewhere in this turbine hall. Look at this big ass hall though. And only 2 turbines. And the control room. Probably the best thing about this place, if I'm being honest. Shit is sick. So they definitely have been in here to work on something, because last time I was here, the crane was on this side. Hey buddy. Nothing to see here. Whoa. One of those Harry Potter sinks. This shit is way too clean, it's freaking me out. Hey look, the new one, and the shithole we're in. God damn it, Bobby. Hey, this is getting a little too weird for me. Oh, nothing sus about that at all. This one is creepy, bro. Coal-fired is one thing, but trash-fired? Oof. Smells about as bad as you think it does. Okay, there's a camera. There is some truth to it. Shit. Well, here's the turbines. I think I'm actually gonna go under them and around. See if I can spot any more cameras first. Well, I really hope I didn't set that camera off. There's at least 2 in the hall. This Explorer is so different from my first time. Alright, well we're out of that hellhole. Yo, what if this works? That'd be nuts. What the fuck? Bro, there's a gurney in here. Like a really old school one. Word? One of the cameras is like right outside this fucking door. So we're gonna go this way and hope there isn't another one. America, brother. Fuck yeah, dude. Why is this here? These kind of explorers are so exhausting. God damn. Gotta check every corner for a camera, like fuck. Just let me walk around. Ooh, this switch house is nice. Hey look, it's the place. Always with the wooden paneling. Fancy ass bathroom. Jesus. Who dat? God damn, that's a bright ass hallway. Hey buddy. What'd it do? You alright? Oh shit. Please tell me the power isn't cut here. I'm gonna cry. Fuck. Please. Yo. Yes, sir. I was about to be like so depressed because this is the coolest thing here. Especially now that you can't even shoot the Turbine Hall. Look at this window too. It's hard to beat a slate curved control panel. Unless you got a curved marble control panel. But you know, I don't think anybody was that rich. God damn. So good. Well, I'm a happy camper. I got to explore 2 abandoned power plants today. And one of them had curved control panels, so really can't complain. I guess we'll see if we can shoot any at the Turbine Hall. My guess is probably not. I don't know why that's so scary. It's a cool looking building. Any old brick building with keystones, that's my shit. One with power and slate control panels, even better. Oh, dang it. I wish you would have told me earlier. This staircase is ridiculous. Bruh. Hey, buddy. Well, I think I'm gonna have to break tradition today, because this is about all I can get of the turbines, short of walking directly in front of a camera. So I'm definitely not gonna be able to get on the crane. Crazy man. Last time I was here, this shit was like wide open. Would you look at the time? It appears it's about, fuck this shit, o'clock.